Here we are, brand new DJI Mavic Air unboxing for our clients. Just want to kind of share how we invest so heavily in marketing here at Sloan Realty Group. Obviously, we're buying another drone for photography, for video, for our clients to help market their property, but just want to kind of share a little bit part of our evolution. There's a couple smaller drones we've had, but we were, if you go back on YouTube, we were the first real estate agent in Myrtle Beach to use drone photography, drone videos. We actually, and I always kind of helped design it, we actually custom built, this is the 2010 version, 2011, and it would basically do a range video from a GoPro type camera at the time. It would put that to goggles that we would use, and it had no GPS, so it was very, very difficult to fly. I was able to master that myself back then. You can see the old version. It would basically had all built out. The brain is totally separate from like model airplanes, and so that was before there's a big common consumer type solution. And so the next version we used the Phantom 2, I think Vision Plus, which we used for years and years. A couple of videos of that on our YouTube as well. But what's happened is as things have evolved and we have more opportunities to do this, we want a more compact type camera that fits in a small case and is very, very easy for our photographer to use in-house. And so I just want to share that with our clients, and for any clients seeing that, anyone out there, I'm just going to do the unboxing so everybody can kind of check it out and see what's in there, and obviously we'll be able to put that to work. You want to get your home sold. This is one of the many tools where we're investing, lots of money in regards to how we're able to market this, how we can use tools to separate and differentiate your property. One of which 4K video, great photos, and the biggest thing why I like it helps get a different perspective for properties with. If you notice, a lot of times when you search online, there's properties with a big tree in the front of it, and it blocks the view. And so this allows us to get a little bit of an elevated shot to see all the benefits of the property and what makes it better. One thing right now we have is a horse farm on 17 acres behind like a plantation type house. And one of the things you want to do is make sure you can get the best information for that. So as we go through, we're going to dig in and kind of see and check out what's in here. This thing is sweet in regards to how it looks, the presentation. The first thing comes is the DJI case. Super nice. This is obviously the main centerpiece here, which is the Mavic Air. Super cool. If you look at the difference here in the evolution of these cameras and obviously these drones, look at the difference of all these, right? The old school 2010 version that was custom made by someone who specialized in helping build model airplanes, helicopters back then, DJI Phantom 2 Vision Plus, I think whatever it is. And then here we have the sweet brand new Mavic Air, which can go, in a book bag, right? Put it in a book bag. It's got the camera cover, it's got everything you need here, which is super sweet to check that out. And so you can carry this like a thing of sunglasses. Insane. So next thing we got here in the box, oh man, we got the Mavic Air instructions. Looks like we got 2 propellers, prop covers, and there's some paperwork and stuff here. You can see it's got propeller covers, all the instructions, different pieces, and obviously the extra propellers, which are super cool as well. And then here we are into the controller. I left the controller upstairs, but huge controls we had back then. I have to flip all these switches and tune in. This thing's super cool in regards to how it comes down. You can obviously put your phone in here to do so. You can unfold it. I'm not gonna undo all the stickers though, or do it now, but you can see here, opens up, you put your smart device in, and then boom, you're on the go in regards to flying. All kind of different sport version, all the different speeds and things you can do to help dial in to get that great shot for your client. So that's super neat there. That much more easy to travel with, much easier to set up, and obviously you could even, if you're good enough, fly this inside the house for certain houses. And obviously on the back end we got the charger and batteries as well. So bottom line is a lot of agents out there right now just struggling to pay the bills, struggling to make the average agent in our marketplace sells 3.58 homes per year. The reality is it's hard to pay the bills, much less spending a lot of these type tools, and this is what differentiates us. This is what helps us get better results. This is what helps us sell homes faster and for more money. So if you're interested in learning more about what we do, how we do it, go to blakesloan.com, or you can always call us here at 843-808-SOLD, and we'll see you with our sold side.